Hey guys, this is Sidra. Welcome to my YouTube channel Educate with Sidra. In this video, we are doing the chapter number 7 of O levels chemistry, and the chapter number 7 is chemical formula and equations. So let's start the video. Now here we are doing some examples, right? Take a paper and do it with me, right? Come on, tell me, is this balanced? Yes, because there are two atoms of oxygen on the right hand side, two atoms of oxygen. Carbon is 1 and on the left hand side carbon is 1. So this is the first example. This is balanced, right? Tick. Now copper react with oxygen, it will form cuprous oxide. So now balance it. How will you balance it? On the left hand side there are two atoms of oxygen. On the right hand side there is one atom of oxygen. So you have to put 2 over here to balance the oxygen. Now oxygen is balanced. What about copper? Copper is becoming 2 atom on the right hand side. So where here on the left hand side we have to 2 here with the copper to balance it. Now 2 copper on the left and right hand side and 2 oxygen on the left and right hand side. Equation is balanced. Now magnesium react with hydrochloric acid, it will become magnesium chloride MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Now what will happen with the first we have to see the gases, right? This is hydrogen, this is H2. On the left hand side this is only one H, so you have to put over here. So hydrogen is balanced, right? Now what about chlorine atom? There are 2 atoms of chlorine. On the right hand side again there are 2 atoms of chlorine balanced. What about magnesium? On the left hand side and on the right hand side only 1 atom of oxygen on both sides in the reactant and the product side. So magnesium is also balanced. Magnesium is balanced, hydrogen is balanced, chlorine is balanced. So the equation is balanced. Now zinc oxide plus sulfuric acid, it will become zinc sulfate. What is the formula of zinc sulfate? ZnSO4 plus water. Now come on, balances. Zinc is balanced on both sides. Hydrogen is balanced, H2 on both sides. Sulfur 1 both sides. Oxygen, this is 4 and 5 atoms of oxygen on the left hand side and 4 and 1, 5 atoms of oxygen on the right hand side. So this is again balanced. Now write hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas, it will become water. So hydrogen is balanced on both sides, oxygen is not balanced. So there are left side there are 2 oxygen and on the right hand side there is 1. So 2 put over here. Oxygen is balanced, but it disturb the atoms of hydrogen. Now hydrogen is 4, 2 2s are 4 on the right hand side. So here we have to put 2 over here. Now 4 atoms of hydrogen left hand side and right hand side. This is balanced. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus nitric acid HNO3, it will become sodium nitrate plus carbon dioxide plus water. So here sodium is 2, so we are writing 2 sodium. Carbon 1 on both sides. Hydrogen, what about hydrogen? Yes, what about hydrogen? We are writing 2 hydrogen over here. Right, 2 hydrogen on both sides. Nitrogen 2 nitrogen on both sides. Right, and what about the carbon? Carbon is balanced. Oxygen 3 and 3 2s. This is 3 2s are 6 and 3. This is 9 atoms of oxygen, right? So here 3 2s are 6 atom of oxygen. This is 2, this is 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. So oxygen is balanced, nitrogen is balanced, sodium is balanced, carbon is balanced. So the whole equation is balanced, right? So you keep practicing at your home. State symbols basically define the physical state. And physical state, I already told you this thing of the reactant in the product, that is S for solid, L for liquid, G for gas, and if it's aqueous solution that will be the AQ, right? So these are the state symbols or the physical state of the reactant in the product. So lead nitrate PbNO3 plus sodium iodide, it will become PbI2 plus NaNO3, that is sodium nitrate. So sodium iodide is an aqueous solution, lead nitrate again aqueous solution, PbI2, this is solid, and what about NaNO3? This is again aqueous, right? And you have to balance here to put over here and to put over here. So this is balanced, right? Ammonia react with hydrochloric acid. Ammonia is in gas state, hydrochloric acid is gas state, and this is a reversible reaction. NH4Cl is a solid state. This is the ammonium chloride. This sign is basically the reversible, shows the reversible reaction. We are doing some equations for just for the practice, right? Now H2S plus O2, it will become SO2 plus H2O. Now balance it. Hydrogen is balanced on both sides, sulfur is balanced on both sides, but oxygen is not balanced. So what we have to do, there are 3 oxygen on the right hand side. So first, this is always put even number, obviously put 2 over here. Now there are 4 atoms of oxygen. So that will be here 2, to put it over here 2. Right, simple, but it disturbs the amount of hydrogen, that is 2 to the 4. So if you write 2 to the 4 here, so that will disturb the sulfur. And if you are using sulfur, that is 2 sulfur on the right hand side, this will again disturb the oxygen. Now what will happen? Count, hydrogen is balanced, sulfur is balanced, but oxygen is not balanced. So there are 2 to the 4 plus 2. There are 6 atoms of oxygen. So put 3 over here, that is 3 to the 6. That will balance the oxygen as well. So this is the way how we balance the equation. Now calcium carbonate, it decomposes into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. So this is balanced. Check. Yes, this is balanced. Now dinitrogen pentoxide. Di means 2, pentoxide, and penta means 5. This is solid. We are heating it. NO2 and oxygen gas. What is basically what? How will you balance it? Now, yes, first we have to check oxygen, because oxygen is our number. 5 atoms of oxygen. There are only on the right hand side there are 4 atoms of oxygen. Whatever we cannot do right on the right hand side 5 atoms of oxygen, right? Remember this thing. So what we'll have to do? First we have to make it even, that is over 5 to put over here. It will increase the amount of nitrogen, 2 to the 4 put over here. That will be 4 to the nitrogen's balance, oxygen will be 8 plus 2, that will be 10. So this is 5 to the 10. There are 10 atoms of oxygen and 4 atoms of nitrogen. This is all balanced. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like the video and comment.